Hi guys, so here I am, the day 2 of trying out the weirdest masks in Korea. And yes, like I mentioned, Joe is a very busy person, so he couldn't join me tonight. But it's okay, I'm still gonna try on all the weird masks for you guys. But there is something that I wanted to tell you guys because after trying on the mask, yes, we saw instantly that Joe had this mattifying effect, and obviously it seemed like the detox was working, but that night we went out on a date and he started getting these little like bumps on his face. They were like red and kind of looked like a rash. So I felt like if your skin is sensitive, that bubble pack might not be good for you. So, you know, just a disclaimer that yeah, like the packs can be nice, but if you have sensitive skin, like you should always be careful and try it on for a little bit. If it starts tingling or it feels weird, then you need to take it off right away. Alright, so shall we get started on this mask tonight? Actually, it is nighttime. I've already taken off all my makeup today and I just did toner, but I use cleansing cream today, which is very moisturizing, so you can see a little bit of glow on my face. So last time we were going through the masks and I read that this was a premium night care, so that's why I'm trying this pack today. So that's why I'm trying on this mask today. It says, okay, and I'm supposed to put it on for about 10 minutes, so here we go. This is supposed to be really moisturizing, so okay, so I took it out and literally it's just like gold, guys. It's a gold mask. Yeah, I don't know what else to say because that is what it is. Here is the upper part of your face. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, okay. Wow. This makes me look like Nacho Libre. Nacho Libre! Ay, 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 ay. Okay. Anyways. Or I kind of feel like an iron mask or like a superhero. It's kind of cool. But I'm gonna put on the rest of the mask here. Oh, perfect. Okay, I can't. This gives me a really limited lip space, like all masks do, but this is like really blinding, guys. Oh my gosh. Alright, so just like this, I'm gonna wait 10 minutes. Alright, so I think my 10 minutes is up, so I'm gonna slowly take it off. Alright, this is coming off! Ta-da! Alright, and then I'm just gonna dab in the product. Alright, I think everything is soaked in. Oh my gosh, guys. Even my hands feel really soft. Oh my gosh. And it's not like that sticky kind of soft. It's like really just like silky soft. Oh my gosh. See, it's like not sticking or anything. Look. Look. It's not shiny or anything. It's just really smooth. And the thing is, my hand is also really dry because all my skin is really dry. So for me, moisturizer is like a must. If I don't moisturize my face in the morning, it's like a Sahara, like desert of Sahara, like on my face, on my legs, on my stomach, like everywhere. And this is like the natural glow you get with it. Yeah, I don't think it's like too shiny. It's not like too like, you know, that like wet glow. It's not like a wet glow. But I really like it still, and my face, oh my gosh, my skin just feels so silky smooth. So I see why it's like a premium night care mask, and I really like it. I like the Ensure one, the filter one, but I think I like this a tad bit more just because it's kind of fun to put on gold on your face, and also it leaves your face feeling more moisturized, like from the inside. Alright guys, so that was day 2 of my weirdest masks in Korea, and we still have, I think, 2 more, 3 more. So yeah, that's gonna be like 3 more days. So I'm excited to see you guys in day 3, and that's it for day 2. Bye! Hey guys, so we are on day 3 of the Weirdest Masks in Korea series, and yes, I know you guys are like, oh my gosh, Chloe, you're like putting on masks every day. So yes, it's true. And can you guys tell the difference in my face? It's like glowing almost every day. Seriously, for me, like before I got married, for about 2 weeks, every day I did 1 mask. Every day. It wasn't like a weekly thing, it was just like an everyday. At night I would do this for 20 minutes, and then my skin was just perfect, because you know, like one of the Korean traditions, like regime for the wedding, is that you go and get your skincare done. But I didn't want to waste all that money. Like it's at least $500 for like, you know, 4 sessions. So I didn't want to blow that money up, so I just, you know, said, hey, I just have really dry skin and that's it. I don't really have pimple. I just said, I'm just gonna use that money to instead buy masks and do it every day, and voila, my face, like my skin was perfect on the wedding day. So yeah, so if you have dry skin like me and you need to fix your skin like quickly, then try this. Try the method of having 1 mask per day. And so today the pack that I'm gonna try on is the Airpacking pink wrap. Yeah, I know it's like pink wrap, but anyways, it says it's gonna give me some glow in my face. It's gonna moisturize deeply, and it's also from Mediheal. So let's see if this is good. Oh wow. Wow, it kind of reminds me of yesterday's gold mask. So I'm guessing the cotton part goes to the bottom, like this. Wow, guys, it's just like the gold mask. Let's just wait 10 minutes like this and see what it does to my skin. Alright, so about 10 minutes has passed, so I'm gonna slowly remove my pack. Okay, oh, that feels nice. Feels nice. Da da da, I'm a superhero. My ability can be making money. I don't know. What should my ability be? I've always wanted to fly, but like also like teleport. Because you know when the weather is like cold or something, like I don't want to walk home, and usually it takes like you know that like an hour or so to commute to my work, and I'm like, wish I could teleport. I don't want to go anywhere. I don't want to like get like into a crowded subway and things like that. Anyways, yeah. What about you? What's the ability that you would want to have if you're a superhero, guys? Please comment down below to let me know. I think it'll be just fun to talk about it. Anyways, it's really nice. It's not really that wet, which I like. I'm just gonna tap the product in my skin. Wow, I really like that it soaks in super fast, and this is just a natural glow that you get with this mask. I like the feeling on my skin. I like how it's kind of cool, and I love how it's pink. I love how fast it gets absorbed into my skin. So yeah, if you want something that like just absorbs super fast into your skin, this is it for you. If you're like me, you don't like sticky stuff like slippery hands. See, like my hands are dry too, but it's not like it didn't get in like sticky at all. It didn't get slippery at all. So yeah, I kind of really like this product, and stay tuned for day 4 and day 5.